You know what's crazy? I did not quit corn by fighting it. I quit because my brain stopped wanting it. No cold turkey, no flat line, no shame spiral, nothing. One day, I realized my brain was craving pee for one reason. It had nothing better to crave, and that truth changed everything. I used to open those sites whenever I felt stressed, bored, or lonely. It became my reward system, fake pleasure for real emptiness. I told myself I will stop tomorrow. Tomorrow became next week, and next week became years. But here is the truth nobody tells you: corn isn't the problem, your empty structure is. When your day is filled with nothing meaningful, your brain will always chase the quickest dopamine. Mine did until I rebuilt my day. I did not quit corn with discipline. I replaced it with structure. Every morning, I gave my brain healthy dopamine before it could even think about the cheap stuff. I made a rule: no phone in the morning. I move my body. I do my most important task right after. Those three questions became my new dopamine circuit. Instead of waking up and scrolling, I was earning dopamine, not stealing it. The result? The cravings started fading, not because I resisted, but because my brain had better things to look forward to. Most men never escape because they keep focusing on not watching corn instead of focusing on building a life that makes corn irrelevant. If your brain is starved of real reward, progress, power, creation, it will crawl back to corn every time. You can't heal in the same routine that makes you weak. You have to rebuild it, hour by hour, habit by habit. So here's my challenge. Tomorrow, don't try to quit. Just feed your brain with real dopamine. Move your body, work on one goal, do it again the next day. Watch what happens. P stops being a temptation, it becomes irrelevant in your life. You don't need more motivation. You need a life that's harder to escape from than it is to stay in.